there was ever a dance party for connectors, ITT Cannon would probably be the DJ. I mean, they could pack in all the contacts, provide great performance, and handle a tough environment, all with their Micro Series connectors. Both the commercial MDM and MIL-DTL 83513 qualified configurations provide reliable connectivity in a lightweight, rugged, and space-saving PCB or cable-to-cable design. The MDM series features Cannon's twist pin contact system that provides 7 points of contact to ensure continuity under severe shock and vibration, and durability for at least 500 mating cycles. The M83513 qualified configurators are offered with 8 shell sizes and 9 to 100 contacts on a 0.50-inch pitch, with a push-pull option that reduces misalignment and rocking, and an operating temperature up to 125 degrees Celsius. The MDM series offers standard or low profile variants with temperature ratings up to 230 degrees Celsius and meets the harsh requirements of oil and gas exploration industries, which exceed MIL-DTL 83513 specs.